Dear students, today we will discuss the theory of cycloaddition reaction by FMO method. For this, we will take first example 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Cycloaddition reaction. In FMO approach, we consider as if suppose we have the first ethylene molecule is added to the second ethylene molecule. Okay, like that. First ethylene molecule is added to the second ethylene molecule and we will obtain the product. Correct. All right. In such a reaction, we consider the first component. Okay, one component we uses the higher occupied molecular orbital. Higher occupied molecular orbital, that is we called as the HOMO, that is HOMO. And second component we consider as a LUMO, that is lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, first component we consider the higher occupied molecular orbitals, that is HOMO for first reactant and LUMO for the second reactant in this FMO approach. Okay, as like when a bond is formed with empty orbitals. Okay, empty orbitals and with second one is there is a electron. Okay, there is occupied molecular orbitals and the unoccupied molecular orbitals bond is formed. Okay, like that in this approach we will consider first higher occupied molecule. First ethylene for first reactant we consider as the higher occupied molecular orbital, and for second reactant we consider as the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Let us discuss our example. Okay, we have taken the 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, we know that the first ethylene molecule is added to the second ethylene molecule. Okay, like that way by mechanism you will obtain the cyclobutane, that is cyclic compound. As far we discussed, for first components we will consider its higher occupied molecular orbitals, and for second component we will consider the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Let us try to draw the orbitals for first ethylene molecule. We will draw the orbitals for the first ethylene molecule, that is first reactant. Okay, therefore first or ethylene molecule we have written like that, and second ethylene molecule we have written like that. Okay, psi 1 and psi 2 star. Okay, already we have known that how to draw these diagrams. Okay, positive no node, positive positive, negative negative, positive negative, and there is node, therefore negative positive. First ethylene molecule we have G1. Okay, second, let us try to draw the second. Okay, its second ethylene molecule orbital is same. Okay, both are the same molecule, therefore its orbital diagram is also same one. Okay, psi 1 and the psi 2, plus minus plus minus. Okay, first we consider the thermal induced 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, for this thermal induced 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, thermal induced means what? Okay, first orbital there is a 2 electrons. Okay, in this first that is a pi system, only one pi in ethylene, therefore it is a 2 electron system. And second ethylene, it is also one pi bond is there, therefore it is also 2 electron system. Correct. Therefore 2 electrons, there is no thermally induced reaction, therefore there is no excitation of electrons will be there. Okay, in second case your orbitals, there is also no excitation of electron is there. Okay, this is the second ethylene molecule. Okay, as for we discussed the in FOMO approach, we will consider the higher occupied molecular orbital, that is HOMO, for first ethylene molecule, and second you have to consider the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore for first molecule, higher occupied molecular orbital is the, this is the higher occupied molecular orbitals where there is a electron is present. Okay, this is the empty one. Okay, this is the empty. Okay, this orbital is the empty, this is the there is the electron, therefore higher. Okay, this is the occupied molecular orbital, this is the higher occupied molecular orbital. Okay, for therefore for first ethylene molecule, this is the higher occupied molecular orbital. Psi 1 is the higher occupied molecular orbitals, correct. For second molecule, lower unoccupied molecular orbital, this is the occupied molecular orbitals, and this orbital is the unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore we have to consider for this second molecule lower unoccupied molecular. Psi 2 is the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, let us try to draw these orbitals. Okay, positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay, in first orbitals there is a mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, in this case mirror plane of symmetry, when you there is a mirror plane, if you pass the planes, it divides these two these orbital in equal parts. Okay, that is mirror plane of symmetry. In this case there is a C2, no mirror plane of symmetry, but there is a C2 plane of symmetry. Okay, therefore this first orbital is a mirror plane of symmetry, second orbital is the C2 symmetry. Okay, but these two symmetry is not matches. Okay, therefore if such type of symmetry is not matches, then such type of reaction is not possible. Okay, therefore when we try to join this, okay, for first, okay, negative negative join, that is the bonding molecular orbital is possible, but this in this case this is the no bonding, is it, that is anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore because there is a negative orbitals and positive orbitals not combined. Okay, therefore symmetry is different. Okay, first we have observed that the symmetry of first orbital, first ethylene molecule orbital is different, and second ethylene molecules is also different. Okay, other way you can represent this orbitals. Okay, or you can represent like that. Okay, first, that is positive. Okay, this we have take positive negative. Okay, this we firstly write here positive negative and negative positive, and second orbital. Okay, in this second of positive positive, negative negative. Okay, this is like that bonding. Okay, in this case there is bonding. Okay, here is the bonding molecular orbital. Small we can write bonding molecular. In this case it is a non-bonding or anti-bonding molecular. Negative positive, there is no bonding, that is called as the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, this is the that is the our HOMO, higher occupied molecular orbital, first component, and this is the LUMO of the second component. Okay, like that way this is the LUMO and this is the HOMO. Okay, this is the HOMO and this is the LUMO. Okay. Okay, therefore such is not possible, such bonding is not possible. Therefore why is not possible? Because the symmetry is the different of the first orbital symmetry is C2. Okay, in this case there is C2 one, that is mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, symmetry is not matching, first things we have observed, and this and secondly we can say that phase wrong for overlap. Okay, due to that symmetry is not matched, therefore phase wrong overlap, and that therefore it is a symmetry forbidden reaction. It is called as a symmetry forbidden reaction. Okay, therefore 2 plus 2 thermally not allowed a reaction. Okay, 2 plus 2 is thermally not allowed reaction. Other way we can write like that, because of phase of the orbitals are incorrect. Okay, what is meaning of that? Because of phases of orbitals are in, because there is a no symmetry matching. First orbital is not matches with the second orbital. Okay, incorrect. For bonding, a thermally induced 2+2 cycloaddition reaction is said to symmetry forbidden reaction. Okay. Second case, let us discuss the second case. The second case is the photo-induced 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay. Photo-induced 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay. Let us draw the diagrams. Okay, diagram, there is no change of diagram. First diagram, ethylene molecule. Okay, that is psi1. 2 electron is there. No node, positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, in this case, no node is there, psi1, and then second one is a psi2. Okay, we will write the second orbitals. There is node, positive, negative, negative, and positive psi2, psi2 star. Okay, therefore, second one, our positive, negative, positive, okay, positive, and the negative one. Correct? Okay, in this case, will that is positive one. Okay, let us draw this. Okay, first that is our orbital. Okay, we first orbital and the second orbital, and the first orbital and the second orbital. Positive, positive. Okay, because there is no node. Negative, negative. In this case, there is node. Positive, negative, and negative, positive. Psi1 and psi2 star. Correct? In this case, there is a 2 electrons. Correct? We have we consider the photo-induced cycloaddition reaction when ethylene molecule is there, and when we irradiated this ethylene molecule, then some of the electron is okay, from this level to the get excited to the, okay, irradiated, then some of the electrons from this level, okay, some of the electron get excited. Okay, some of the electron get excited to the second orbital. Okay, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay, some of the get excited. Okay, like that way. When you irradiate with photo with light, one of the electron get excited from this to the other energy level. Okay, psi1 to the psi2 star. Electron get excited from psi1 to the psi2 star. Okay, therefore not all the molecule undergoes such type of excitation. Some of the molecule remains ground state. Okay, so, some of these remains ground state, and some of the ethylene molecule electrons get excited from psi1 to the psi2 star, but some ethylene molecule remains at the ground state. No excitation of electrons takes place in some molecule. Okay, as per we discussed, we have to consider for LUMO, for okay, as far we discussed that the for the first molecule we have to consider the LUMO, and second molecule is second, for second molecule we have to consider the HOMO, and try to understand whether reaction is the photochemically allowed or not allowed. Okay, when ethylene molecule is irradiated, some of ethylene molecule remains ground state, and some of get the ethylene molecule excited. Okay, therefore in photochemical reaction, HOMO of one molecule, we consider the HOMO of one molecule, and ground state of LUMO for other molecule. Okay, we consider the HOMO of one molecule and ground state LUMO for other molecule. Okay, therefore in this case, when we consider this is the okay, this is the unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay, this unoccupied molecular orbital, that is a lower unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay, ground state LUMO. Okay, we consider the ground state LUMO. Okay, therefore we consider the LUMO, ground state LUMO. Ground state LUMO is the side 2 is our ground state LUMO. Okay, for first molecule, for first ethylene molecule. Correct. Ground state positive, negative, negative, and the positive. That is the Psi2 star. First ethylene molecule. Second is higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay. In this case, there is the electron is there. Okay. That is the higher occupied molecule. Whether there is 2 electrons or 1 electrons. Okay. It's considered as a higher occupied molecule. Okay. In this case, Psi2 star is also Psi2 star is nothing but the higher occupied molecular orbital. Okay. In both cases, higher occupied molecular orbital, that is we consider that is LUMO, and for the HOMO, second ethylene molecule. Okay, second ethylene molecule, there is excitation of electrons takes place from Psi1 level to the Psi2 level. Okay, that is Psi2 star, second ethylene molecule, that is the higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay, in this case there is a okay, sorry, we can write this for the our addition one, positive negative, sorry, positive negative, and the negative positive. Okay, this can be rotated. Okay, this can be okay, this orbitals can be rotated, positive negative positive negative. Okay, therefore same phase of addition is there. Okay, bonding molecular orbital, and this is also bonding molecular orbitals and the bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore if we consider for this, in this molecule or in this orbital, there is a C2 symmetry is present, and for second orbital, second ethylene orbitals, there is also C2 symmetry. Okay, symmetry is matching. Okay, therefore symmetry is matches, reaction is possible. If symmetry is not matches, okay, if symmetry is not matches, reaction is not possible. But there is symmetry is matches, and therefore reaction is possible. Okay, therefore such reaction is the symmetry allowed reaction. Such reaction is called as symmetry allowed reaction. Correct. Therefore we can conclude that the both higher occupied molecular orbitals and lower unoccupied molecular orbital should have same symmetry, same orbital symmetry, then reaction is allowed reaction. And if the there is no symmetry is present, then it is a disallowed reaction. Okay, in this reaction we always consider the lower, this orbital we always consider the lower unoccupied molecular orbital. For this we always consider the okay, if it is excited, there is no lower unoccupied molecule. Okay, in second ethylene molecule, okay, in second ethylene molecule, when it is excited, there is a both is the occupied molecular orbital. Okay, in this case there is no chances of the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore, for second ethylene molecule, we must consider only higher occupied molecular orbitals, and for this unexcited ethylene molecule, we always consider the LUMO, that is lower unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay, that is one. Second things we have observed here, ethylene molecule that is not excited. Okay, ground state ethylene molecule and excited ethylene molecule. Okay, ethylene excited. Okay, in excited ethylene molecule, when there is psi 1 at first, psi 2 and psi 2 star, there is 0, but after photo we passes the light, then there is excitation of electrons takes place. One is there and psi 2 star 1 electron. Okay, that is two, there is a 1 electron get excited, but ground state there is psi 2 psi 1, there is 2 electron is there, and for psi 2 star there is no electron. Okay, therefore we always consider the lower unoccupied molecular orbital from ground state ethylene molecule, and from ethylene excited state we always consider the higher unoccupied molecular orbitals and try to find out the reaction is allowed or disallowed. Okay, therefore 2 plus 2 reaction is the photochemically allowed reaction because symmetry is exactly matches, and that's why reaction is the photochemically allowed reaction. Okay, this is all about the 2 plus 2 reaction. FMA approach we used in this 2 plus 2 reaction. Thank you very much.